Welcome to our tutorial on Nikon Commander Mode for off-camera flash. In this video, we'll explore how you can use this mode to take your photography to the next level. As you may know, Commander Mode is available on the Nikon D7000 series and full-frame DSLR cameras. One of its best features is that you don't need any additional triggers like the YN622N triggers or the cheap 603N triggers, which can save you money if you begin. Plus, if your speedlight supports it, you can achieve high-speed sync, as it is the case for this young speedlight. And as an added bonus, Commander Mode allows for more precise control over your flash output, giving you more creative flexibility in your photography. But what's even more convenient is that you can control the flash power from the camera itself without having to press any buttons on the flash unit. This makes it easy to adjust your flash settings on the fly without having to physically touch the flash, as we shall see later on in the video. For this tutorial, we'll be using a Yongnuo Speedlight, which is a 568EX3 model, and a Nikon D750. We've already covered how to set up Commander Mode in one of our previous videos, so be sure to check the description for the link to that video. Let's get started. First, set your speedlight to slave mode by long pressing the zoom button. Then press this button on the right until it is ITTL on. This shows the essence shows that it is in slave mode. Thereafter, press the group button and change it to group A and make sure it is set to channel 1. Make sure you take a look at these lights to confirm that your speedlight is in slave mode. This applies to the Yongnuo speedlights. On your camera, press the pop-up flash button because it is used to transmit signal to the speedlight for Commander Mode. Then go to your camera and press the menu button, select bracketing and flash, then Commander Mode. Now we can adjust the intensity of the flash or the power from the camera without pressing any button on the flash, as we said previously. We shall adjust the intensity of the flash by changing the compensation to 0. Press OK and let's take our first shot. Now you can repeat this to see the difference and adjust the intensity to 1, 2 and 3. So we are adjusting now to 1. Press OK. Then to 2. Remember, you can always assign a button for this if you want to access the menu easily. Press OK. And lastly, 3. Press OK. And that's the last shot at intensity or compensation of 3. So don't forget that we are taking these photos at shutter speed of 800, aperture 4.8 and ISO 400. And if you can observe right here on our speedlight, it's indicating high speed sync. In our next video, we'll show you how to use Commander Mode for an outdoor photo shoot. So be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and share if you found this tutorial helpful.